Hi everyone, Task 2 Natural of Linguistics and Language. What is dialect? A dialect is a variable of the language that indicates from where a person in the linguist uses the word dialect for refer to the different variable of realization of a same language, especially to the geographic or regional variation. Example: Paisa and Tolimense or Opita dialect. The Paisa dialect is spoken in Antioquia, Quindío, Risaralda, and Caldas. It is characterized by the use of the pronoun vos instead of the pronoun tú. Example: vos sos en vez de tú eres. The Tolimense or Pita dialect. It is spoken in the department of Huila and Tolima. The Tolimense are characterized by the dephonization of the gyrus eo and ea. Example: instead of saying real, pelear, and peor, they say real, pelear, and peor. Thank you for your attention.